Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today we're diving into something fascinating, the idea of a home that adapts, like an intelligent ecosystem.
That's right. It's about homes being, as Ovi puts it, alive with awareness.
And Ovi's the focus today, right? They've been doing this for, 30 years?
Over 3 decades, yeah. They started way back with home theaters and audio, but they've really evolved that into creating these clever homes.
So we're looking at their vision for an epic home. We've got their insights, and they shared this really detailed scenario showing what AI-powered smart homes can do now.
Absolutely. Our mission here is to unpack how Ovi gets beyond just, a pile of smart gadgets. We want to understand their approach to seamless integration, what that actually means for you living in a space like that, and how tech like Matter and Thread makes it possible. It's about a home that grows with you.
Okay, let's start there. 30 years. They must have a pretty solid philosophy by now. They keep saying integration, not just devices. What's the big picture?
Well, it comes down to that alive with awareness idea. They're not interested in selling you off-the-shelf stuff that feels old in 2 years.
Right, we've all seen that happen.
Exactly. They aim for, and this is their term, better than anything homes. Homes with intelligence, personality, even soul. It's not just about commands. It's about the home understanding your lifestyle, anticipating.
Personality and soul in a house. That's quite a concept. How does that actually look? How do they design for that?
They break it down into what they call 5 seamless flows. First up is entertainment everywhere.
Okay.
And this isn't just like speakers in every room. It's media delivered intelligently, personalized to who's in the room itself, maybe even your mood. It learns what you like.
So, calming music, if I seem stressed.
Potentially, yeah. The second flow is adaptive comfort. Think lighting, temperature, window shades, all shifting automatically. Tune to natural light, the time of day, your own preferences. It knows you like the bedroom cool but the kitchen warm, and it just does it without you asking.
Nice. What's next?
Third is intuitive security. The idea is protection without it feeling like a fortress. The home is aware of who's there, what's happening.
So it knows the difference between the kids coming home and a stranger.
That's the goal. Security that feels natural, not jarring. Then fourth is voice, touch and beyond. Lots of ways to interact.
Right. Sometimes you want voice, sometimes a button, sometimes just automation.
Exactly. Whispers, gestures, full manual control, or let it run itself. Multiple layers.
And the last one, you mentioned longevity.
Yes. Number 5 is future-proof design. This is critical after 30 years. Systems need to evolve, not just become obsolete. They design so the home stays clever for decades, adapting to new tech instead of needing a rip and replace every few years.
Okay, so that really drives home the point. It's not just smart devices, it's a smart home. An environment that adapts as your life changes, as tech changes, dynamic.
Precisely.
But how does it all actually connect? You mentioned Matter and Thread earlier. What's the role they play in making this seamless integration happen?
Yeah, good question. They're really foundational. Think of Matter as like a universal translator for smart devices.
Yeah.
Before Matter, getting, say, a Google device to talk reliably to an Apple one or an Amazon one could be a real pain. Matter creates a common language, so they just work together effortlessly.
So less walled gardens, more interoperability.
Exactly that. And Thread, that's the network layer underneath. It's a mesh network, specifically for these low-power smart devices.
Mesh network, like for Wi-Fi.
Similar concept, but optimized for smart home stuff.
Yeah.
It's super reliable, low power, fast, and it even self-heals if one device drops off the network. The commands are instant, and the network stays strong.
Gotcha. So Matter lets things talk, Thread makes sure the conversation is reliable.
You got it. They're key enablers for the kind of seamless experience Ovi is aiming for.
Okay, philosophy, foundational tech.
Wow.
Check. Now, this is where I think it gets really interesting. Let's walk through that day-in-the-life scenario Ovi described. Paint the picture of using AI, Matter, Thread, maybe in a Google Home setup. How does it actually feel?
Absolutely. This makes it tangible. Let's hit some key moments. Imagine waking up. No blaring alarm.
Please.
Right? So maybe at 6:30 a.m., the AI, through your Google Nest Hub, knows your routine. Thread-enabled lights slowly mimic a sunrise.
Nice.
The thermostat, already knowing the weather, adjusts to your preferred temp. Maybe some calm music starts quietly. Your Matter-certified blinds open.
And coffee. Don't forget coffee.
Never. Your Matter-enabled coffee maker is already brewing because the system anticipated you getting up. The key is the prediction, based on learned habits.
So it's learning, not just executing preset commands. What happens if something unexpected pops up, like a delivery?
Great point. Say you're working from home, work mode is on, maybe specific lighting. A Nest doorbell notification comes in.
Uh-huh.
Instead of you grabbing your phone, the AI pauses your background music, streams the doorbell feed instantly to your Nest Hub Max or even your computer screen. Right. And if it's someone you expect, simple voice command. Hey Google, unlock the front door. The August Smart Lock, communicating via Matter, clicks open. It shows how different devices, different brands just work together.
Okay, that's cool. What about later in the day? Evening relaxation.
Yes, so the house transitions, maybe evening mode activates automatically.
Yeah.
Lights shift to warmer tones, Philips Hue perhaps, using Matter.
Nosy.
The AI might suggest a movie based on your history, showing options on your Google TV interface. You say, hey Google, play Stranger Things.
Okay.
Instantly, the main lights dim further, the soundbar adjusts, the LG TV fires up, and the show starts streaming. And maybe you have those Govee light strips behind the TV.
When does it sync with the picture?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Using Thread for that fast response, they react to the colors on screen, makes it really immersive. Then, say, a Nest Cam outside spots movement.
Yeah, okay. Intruder.
Hopefully not. But the AI pauses your show, casts the camera feed right onto your TV, you check, see it's just a raccoon, say, okay, Google, resume show, and you're back. No panic, just awareness.
That whole scenario really highlights the fluidity. It's not a collection of gadgets you're juggling, it's an environment responding to you.
That's the essence of it. The AI, Google Home, Matter, Thread, they create this responsive, intelligent space.
So, switching gears a bit, what does it actually take to build a home like this? What are the fundamental pieces Ovi says you need?
Right, the building blocks. Ovi points to several core components. First, you need that central hub, the brain. Could be a tablet, a dedicated controller, or, like we discussed, a voice assistant platform like Google Home or Alexa.
Got it. The coordinator.
Then, non-negotiable, a rock-solid network.
Yeah.
Good Wi-Fi, probably a mesh system for full coverage, and ideally Thread for device-to-device stuff.
Makes sense. The communication backbone.
Then sensors, lots of sensors. Motion, temperature, light, humidity, maybe even air quality. They're the eyes and ears for the AI.
Feeding it data.
Exactly. And then the actual devices. Smart appliances, smart lighting, security systems, entertainment systems. The key is choosing ones that can integrate, that speak Matter, for instance.
Okay, so you get the components,
Yeah.
but just plugging them in isn't enough, right? Ovi talks about design considerations too, how it all fits together.
Absolutely critical. Hardware is only half the battle. Their design considerations start with that seamless integration we've been talking about. Devices must work together smoothly. Compatibility, interoperability, that's huge.
Which Matter helps with.
Big time. Then, user experience. It has to be easy, intuitive. Not just for the tech geek in the family, but for everyone. Kids, guests, grandparents.
Good point. Tech shouldn't be intimidating.
Right. And flexibility and scalability.
Right.
Life changes. Your system needs to adapt. You might add rooms, have kids, develop new hobbies. The system should grow with you, let you add new devices easily.
Future-proofing again?
Yep. Also aesthetics. Let's be real. Nobody wants ugly tech cluttering up their home. Devices should blend in, complement the design.
True. And the big one.
Security and privacy. Foundational. Robust measures to protect your data, secure access to your home. You need to trust the system implicitly.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense. Components plus thoughtful design. So bringing it back to Ovi specifically, what's their promise? What features do they really emphasize to deliver this?
This is where their experience really shows. They highlight several things. AI-enhanced security is a big one.
Yeah.
Not just cameras, but real-time monitoring, facial recognition that learns who belongs, smart motion detection, automated alerts, smart locks with remote access, visitor management. It's proactive.
Intelligent security.
Exactly. Then intelligent lighting. We touched on this. Environmental LEDs, custom scenes, voice control, dynamic atmospheres for movies or dinner parties, even circadian rhythm support. Light that works for you. Entertainment integration is another. Seamless multi-room audio, unified control for TVs and streaming, maybe even personalized recommendations popping up, plus integrated gaming setups. Effortless enjoyment.
Makes sense given their roots in home theater.
Right. And a key differentiator they push is seamless compatibility. They talk about a universal hub and a cross-platform app, basically making it easy to connect different brands and control everything from one place. That solves a huge frustration for people.
Yeah, the app overload struggle is real.
Tell me about it. They also focus on cost-effective installations. Using a modular approach, you can start smaller, with essentials, and build out over time. Makes it less daunting financially. Plus, the energy-saving aspects of the smart devices pay you back over time.
Good point. And usability.
That's the final piece. User-friendly interactions, intuitive interfaces, easy customization of routines and alerts, so it fits your lifestyle, not the other way around.
So, wrapping it all together, the benefits Ovi highlights seem to be about enhancing your actual life, not just adding tech for tech's sake.
That's the core message. For you, the listener, it translates to tangible benefits, real comfort and convenience day to day, lower energy bills, genuine security for your family and home, and ultimately, that peace of mind. Knowing your home is secure, getting alerts if something needs attention, even when you're miles away. Ovi frames it as a cool and easy experience that leverages tech to create a space that's inviting, efficient, secure, and holds its value because it's built to adapt. A home truly alive with awareness.
Wow. It's quite a vision. We've covered a lot from Ovi's decades of experience shaping this idea of an epic home to the nitty-gritty of AI, Matter, and Thread making it work, walk through what that actually feels like day to day, and looked at the core components and design principles.
Yeah, and the central theme holds. These aren't just connected homes Ovi envisions. They're designed to be aware, to understand you, and to evolve right alongside you. It's a fundamental shift in how we might relate to our living spaces.
Which leads to a final thought for you to ponder. As our homes do become these truly intelligent partners, anticipating needs, adapting seamlessly, how might that change our basic understanding of what home even means? Could new kinds of comfort or connection emerge from this deep integration? Could our relationship with our homes become something truly symbiotic?